In the last video we have done exercise 8.3 second sum. Now we'll start with the exercise 8.3 third sum. Okay, in the third sum it is given if we have given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree 18 degree. Okay, then we have to identify the values of a. Okay, where 2a is the acute angle, and then find the values of a. So now we start with this. So we will use the complementary angle of tan. So this I can write as tan 2a. So tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Again you can write this tan a as a cot, that is because we have tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. So this I will write cot 90 minus 2a, which is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. You can replace this also in terms of tan. Now this cot and cot will get cancelled, so minus 2a, which is equal to a minus 18 degree. Now take the alphabets together, so you will take this a and this 18. So 90 plus 18 degree, which is equal to a plus 2a. So this will become 108 degree, which is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 108 upon 3. So a is equal to 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 6 are 36 degree. Okay, so values of a is 36 degree. Now fourth sum, we have given tan a is equal to cot b, and we have to prove a plus b is 90 degree. So to prove degree. Okay, so we will replace this tan as 90 minus a. So this will become, first we will write tan a, which is equal to cot b. So tan you can write as cot 90 minus a, which is equal to cot b. You can take the cot on both sides. You can remove this cot. Actually it will get cancelled, but we do have to cancel, that is we assume that this will be cancelled. So 90 minus a, which is equal to b. So you take b on that side, so you will get 90 is equal to b plus a. Therefore you will get a plus b, which is equal to 90. Now fifth sum, which is sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. This is similar to that one. Again we can replace sec by cosec 90 minus 4a. So we will get the values of a. So sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. So this sec a can be written as cosec 90 minus 4a, which is equal to cosec a minus 20. This cosec and cosec cancel, you will get 90 minus 4a, which is equal to a minus 20. Now you take 90 plus 20, which is equal to a plus 4a. So a plus 4a will give you 5a, which is equal to 110. So a is equal to 110 upon 5. So a is equal to 22 degree. A is what? 22 degree. Okay. Similarly with the question number 6, all are similar sum. That is question number 6, we have given if AB and C are the interior angle of a triangles. Okay, then for show that sine this term is equal to cosec of this one. So this is given already, so we have to convert in terms of sine of a plus. So we have to prove that sine of b plus c upon 2, which is equal to cos of a upon 2. Okay, this we have to prove where a, b, c are angle of triangle. This is given. Okay, so you will write the solution. We know that that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So you can write angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus angle A. Okay, now when you divide by 2, so it will become angle B plus angle C upon 2, which is equal to 180 minus angle A upon 2. Okay, this you can write as, that is angle B plus angle A by 2, which is equal to 90 minus, angle B plus angle C, angle A by 2. So this is the value. Okay, now start with the left hand side, that is we have LHS. This name is the equation 1. LHS we have sine of B plus C by 2. So this B plus C means what? Angle B and angle C. So you can write as sine of 90 minus angle A by 2, or you can write as A by 2 from 1. We have replaced this value here. Now we have sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta, that formula is cos theta. So this will become cos of angle A by 2. Therefore you can write, which is equal to cos of A by 2, which is equal to RHS. Therefore you can write sine of B plus C by 2, which is equal to cos of A by 2. Okay, now question number 7. We have to replace this sine 67 plus cos 75 degree in terms of 0 to 45 degree. Okay, this is question is given, we have to convert. So you will start sine 67 plus cos 75 degree. We have to replace this term by cos 90 minus. So this 67 you can write as sine of 90 minus 23 plus cos 75 can be written as cos 90 minus 15 degree. Now this will become cos 23 plus this will become sine 15 degree. Now this angle in terms of 0 to 45, that means less than 45 and more than 0, hence the. Okay, so go through the videos. We have completed till exercise 8.3. Thank you.